Hey there, lovers and friends. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I have this really quick video I put together with one of my favorite wigs, which is my Indian curly unit I've had for a few years. And as you can see, the frontal is balding real bad. Real bad. But don't fret. One of the things I love about lace frontals, and if you put together a wig, is that it is a pretty solid investment. Even though the frontal is balding, as you can see, it's balding in a way that it's still the customized hairline is still there, and I'm still going to wear this hair because it's going to be great. So a very quick fix, and sometimes I find I wasn't too aware of this, so I'm sharing it with you all, is that you can cut back the lace. Yes, and you want to cut it in a zigzag line. So you see two pairs of scissors. I have straight scissors and then my zigzag line cutter, and you just cut it. And if you make sure to follow the hairline that was created, you will find that it is almost a complete perfect fit. And this is how much lace I ended up cutting off, which I would say is about a ½ inch back. And then voila, boom, here is the wig applied. Again, forgive my face, y'all, I was just applying the wig, and it laid as almost a perfect fit. Only thing is, you know, because I cut about a ½ inch back off the front, it did kind of change my parting, but to me it still looks pretty natural. Right behind my finger is where you can kind of see where the tracks start, but for the most part, I no need to pre-pluck or to pluck again, I should say, and I am good to go. So I just wanted to show you this quick video how you can save your lace frontals. Again, I've had this wig now going on 2 years this summer, and I plan to keep it up. And my next video I want to show you all, and if you all want to leave a comment below, is how I trade out the lace frontal in my existing wigs. Thank you, lovers and friends, for checking me out, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you all soon.